What's up guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, today we are going to be doing What If Naruto Adult Tale Beast part 5. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And now let's get into the video. So, last time we left off on last time we left off on Naruto eating the ball, the ball that Shukaku gave him, so that he wouldn't die while using the one-tailed cloak. So that is now last time I left off. And by the way, the answer of the question of the day was liquid Rasengan. Nobody answered me on that too. So that is very sad. Sad. Okay. Yo guys, so what we gonna do is very simple. Okay, this is... Oh my god. Why are you doing this? So last time we left off on that, so the answer was Liquid Rasengan, by the way. And last time we left off on that, and let's go. Now Naruto can now, if last time you remember that I told that Naruto now had a new release called Dark Release. I made it because I thought it was cool, and there is actually many reasons for that, and I even have a jutsu that uses all stuff. So let's go. Now what we gonna do is that he got oh god, I'm not prepared for this. Now the two-tailed said that once you will be ready for my power, you will unlock my seal, okay? And Naruto said okay. Now he was getting trained by all-tailed beast about stuff. Stuff. Now that is what happened. Now what we gonna do is this. He got up from the bed, and the nurse said that the Hokage wants you at his office. So he got to the office, and Sasuke was there too. Shikamaru was also there, and Hinata was also there. They were all being promoted to Chunin because they had a big role in the Konoha Crush arc. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, boys. That's what we're gonna do. Now, so that is the thing. Now after he turned Chunin, and we were like, guys, Team 7 turned Chunin, yay. Everyone was very happy, like, Baba Boo, yes, let's go. Nice work, Naruto. Nice work, Sasuke. Now let's get into the juicy parts. After doing that stuff, this time, Sasuke doesn't get captured. Okay, baboys? Sasuke doesn't get captured because you know what I mean, man. Okay, I should stop now. Yeah. Now you know what I mean. So the Sound 4 come to get Sasuke, but you know what I mean. He ain't gonna come and help. He's not going with them, by the way. So he wasn't able to hit them or do stuff damage to them, and what happened was he did it. Okay, he called Naruto and Hinata. He gave them a message so they will come and help him. Okay, So they come and they all defeat the sound ninjas. They even kill them. Okay, they kill them, and what happened next is as normal. This time, Sasuke recovery arc doesn't happen. Okay, and also now it's time for the Tsunade recovery arc. Now, why? Because Hiruzen is alive in this, by the way. So you might be thinking, why are we bringing her into this Tsunade? Now he is going to be retiring. He needs to retire, boys. He has to retire. He's been too old. So they set off on finding Tsunade, and they go. And the first village they go in, there is a lot of food and stuff. Baba boss, buff. So the next thing they do is Baba Boom. Now the next thing they do is OP, boys. They try to find Tsunade, but they don't, and Itachi and Kisame come, and this time they put up too much of a good fight. Like Sasuke, now in this timeline, Naruto already knows the Rasengan, and he even got two other variations of it: the Ricochet Rasengan that I created and the Liquid Rasengan that I also created. Since Naruto has all things, so yeah, so he can do any chakra nature because he has every single chakra nature. He also has yang release and dark release. Okay, boys, so that is what they did. Now, so if you go back, Baba Boy. So what happened was Baba Boy time, man. It is Baba Boy time. So what happened then? They fought Itachi at Kisame. They actually had to retreat, and the whole team 7 was there. Hinata like at the starting, she ate Trigon 64 palms that Itachi, and Kisame was done by Naruto's Ricochet Rasengan, and Sasuke also had the 3 Tomoe Sharingan now. So the thing is, it is time for a brother v brother battle, man. Okay, brother v brother. So what happened then was Sasuke did very much damage to him, like Itachi. So he said, and Itachi tried to pull off the infant Tsukuyomi on Naruto since they had to capture him, and it didn't work, by the way, if you're wondering. Okay, boys, if you're wondering, like, what happened? So Naruto somehow reflected Itachi's genjutsu in his eyes, so he literally got an infinite Tsukuyomi. He was the one who got trapped. So he was, after seeing that, he was the most terrified person in the world you can think of. Okay, now he was like, we have to retreat, Kisame. And also Naruto turned into a little version of Shukaku so that he didn't destroy the whole building. Shukaku is so big, he's thick. Okay, he's thick. So what happened then was time. Okay, boys, it was time. You know what I mean, right? You know. Now they went to the place where Tsunade was. Now they came earlier since they defeated Itachi and Kisame and all that. And Guy also came, and he gave Naruto the sweatshirt and stuff, just like always. And Naruto didn't wear that, boy. So let's go to the Tsunade place. Now time skip to the place where Tsunade is. Now Orochimaru didn't come right now because they came early. and found Tsunade in a bar one day before Orochimaru came. Okay, boys, so don't think I am changing story drastically. Like, she came in the bar after talking to Orochimaru and all that. This is the previous day. They came a day before, bros. So, like, she's like, Jiraiya, what are you doing here? By the way, she's drunk, boys. So, now, Jiraiya says that you have to become Hokage, and she trash talks on Hokage like a canon, like, what? Hokage is blah 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 blah. So, Naruto gets pretty mad at this, so he's like, fight me! And she's like, I'ma beat you with one nail, okay? I'ma beat you with one finger. Now, after she says this, before we start, she's gonna regret that trash talk, baby. Why? Naruto is hella thick and strong. So he, like at the starting, he does a ricochet lightning style Rasengan, also known as a ricochet Rasengan, and it turns into Shukaku's mini form, like mini Shukaku, and she sees that he turned into Shukaku. She thinks he's going insane, but then he says that no worry, I am I can control him. So she isn't like going ravioli bomb on that girl, okay, on that boy. So right now he has the Chubi enhanced thing. He has the Chubi enhanced thing, okay. By that I mean he has the Chubi enhanced ricochet Rasengan, okay. Okay, boys. So like that, and that is how we do. So she almost dies with that attack because Naruto comes from behind, not right. And have you ever wondered why I called it the ricochet Rasengan? Because the Rasengan hits the person once, it doesn't stop. It like hits him boo boo boo, like a bouncy ball, but except of it going away, it comes right back at the person, like hits him once, then comes back at a different angle and hits him again and again and again. She almost died because of that, so she's like, okay, I will come with you. You are too strong for me. And Jiraiya is like, you got bitten by a child, my boy. And she's like, shut up, man. And by the way, is he the fourth Hokage's son, aka the Jinchuriki of all tailed beast? Yes. And she is very shocked to see him. And she comes back, and Orochimaru never gets to have it. But they wait one more day since it was already night. And before they went away, Shizune said, can we go and see that thing first? And then Tsunade is like, okay. Then they see the thing. Then Orochimaru comes. Now everybody else is hiding as Naruto, Sasuke, Hinata and Jiraiya felt Orochimaru's presence. And Tsunade and Shizune also, but they went so that it looked like they didn't know. Now they had a deal with them, and they said, let's wait for another week. At the end of the week we will kill Kabuto and Orochimaru. Now they made a plan, she will go and make Orochimaru think that she's going to heal him, but she's going to destroy her arms. So that is the plan, and everybody else will be distracting Kabuto. But that didn't work because Kabuto is too smart for them, boys. Now Tsunade sees blood. Everything happens as canon, but this time, as Tsunade sees blood, this time Kabuto is also more experienced, and he hits Naruto's heart right as he throws a Rasengan, and he also throws his jutsu on his heart. So Naruto is close to dying, and we get the part when Tsunade becomes non-afraid. Like, she's no more afraid of blood. So she started attacking Orochimaru, who is trying to kill the Jinchuriki boy. Oh no. Okay, boys. Okay, boys. Oh, okay, so let's go. So that happens. And Tsunade becomes the 5th Hokage. Everybody welcomes her and all that stuff. And everybody like, yo, new Hokage, bro. And everybody is actually very proud of Naruto. Now, by the way, I was just joking about that all stuff. Because, as you know, Orochimaru already got killed in Konohakura Shark in my story, bros. Okay, that was all a joke. So let's move on. She becomes a Hokage. Now I'm just kidding. Like, they thought they killed him, but it was actually he at the last second he threw the clone out and died like that. I just joking that he already died. So because if he dies right now, like, bruh, what is the whole point of the story? And now like that, and Tsunade becomes a Hokage. That is it for this video, boys. So I hope you enjoyed this part, What If Naruto Had Altered Beast Part 5. And by the way, before we end this video, Naruto is actually has like enough power to go to unseal the two-tailed beast. So after unsealing him, he also friends him, and that happens, and now he can turn into a mini version of the two-tailed beast. Tailed beast, okay, two-tailed beast, you know. Like, he can turn into the cat guy who has the two tails, okay. He can turn into a mini version of him, like normal size of a human being, like an adult size. So it's basically normal for us since it is adult size. So that is it. And Naruto also discovers some more things about dark release. Yin and Yang release he doesn't really understand, but now he was training one day and he saw that somehow black whips came out of his hands. Like, you know, Deku from My Hero Academia, he had black whips on whips on his hands that come out and that he mastered that. And he also made another jutsu called dark release armor. Now it is literally an armor made with dark release chakra. Yes, dark release is actually has two forms. There is a release form and a chakra form. So in this jutsu, Naruto actually gets covered by dark style, dark release, and it creates an armor for Naruto so that he doesn't get hurt while using one-tailed beast cloak, three-tailed beast cloak, since he hasn't have enough power to unseal the three-tailed beast and all that stuff. So that is it. And Naruto also does that, and Silel also appears again, the person who gave Naruto the thing, his dark release, yin release, and yang release. And he talks more about his parents and all that stuff, and he actually shows his parents again to him, and he is very happy to meet them. And they say, and Ashura is also there. Ashura takes care of Naruto as all, unlike the other story when Ashura didn't take care of him and he didn't even say anything to Naruto. So he can meet Ashura and say anything to him at any time, going into his mindscape. He will always be there. see why, and he will be talking to the tail beast many times, and like his parents say that I hope Ashura will take good care of you, we believe in him and all that stuff, and they disappear. Like we will meet you again later when we get the chance. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was Naruto What If Naruto Had All Tail Beast Part 5, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye 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 bye. Yeah.